In this video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money to Bybit account. Before I do so, this is Friday Gist. On this channel, I'm video about cryptocurrency and you can make money from it. If this topic interests you, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon. So I'm going to show you guys how you can deposit money to your Bybit account. This is very easy. The first step is for you to open your Bybit account. Open your Bybit wallet. Bybit wallet, all you need to do next is to hit on this button that said more. And meanwhile, there are two methods of depositing your money to Bybit account. The first method is through the P2P. Another method is sending from an exchange wallet to your Bybit address. So let me show you how to deposit through your P2P. So hit on this place I said more. Once you do so, it's going to bring out more Bybit options. So look for the P2P trading. You can see this is the P2P trading. You want to tap on the P2P trading. This P2P trading. On this page, you're able to deposit any cryptocurrency you want to your Bybit account. You get able to buy any cryptocurrency you want. You get. So on the Bybit P2P trading, the first thing you do is to check on this place. You get. Click on this place for you to select which cryptocurrency you want to buy, either USDT, USDC. You can see USDC on this place. You can see Bitcoin. You can see you can see Shark. You get. So as preferable, you just put this on USDT if you want to buy USDT. You get. So once you do that, the next thing you do is to look for people that are willing to sell for you at the best or the cheapest price. And please, there's also people that are going to sell for you. There's also scammers. You get. So there are ways for you to spot scammers on Bybit P2P trade. You get these particular pages because the top picks up on users. This particular pages, the reason why Bybit actually put this spaces at the forefront is because these spaces are completed 1,061 orders, like 9% complete. This means that this particular persons is very legit. You understand? As you can see, if you check on the others, these ones are eligible, but this particular page is also eligible. It has completed 1,091 orders. So I want you to know that this particular page wants to sell for you at a much higher price, which is 1,369 naira for $1. While this page wants to sell for you at a much lower price. So the first thing first for you to actually select the amount of USDT you want to buy. Get how much is it to deposit to your wallet. If for example you want to deposit let's say $50, click on this place and hit on 50,000 naira worth of USDT you want to buy. Type on 50,000 naira on this space and hit on confirm. You get. So when you do that, they're going to bring all the people that are willing to settle USDT for you at 1,000. You can see this person limit is 1,000 to 500k. You get. So if you want to buy, just hit on simply on the buy. Once you do so, type the amount you want to buy in naira. You get. You can type it with crypto. Let's say you want to buy 50 USDT. Because 50 USDT is worth 68,900. Then do that, just hit on the buy. Once you do so, they're going to pick up the person's account details. You get. You can check with all of this stuff. You get. So they're going to pick up the person's account details, which you can see right here. Okay. So this is just a summary of what is happening. You want to buy USDT. You're going to pay 68,900. You get. And from one USDT, that's selling for you at 1,378. You're buying 50. You get. Transaction fees at no. So just hit on pay now. Once you hit on pay now, you're going to pick up the person's account details. You get. You can see that the person's account name, the person's account number, and the name of the bank, right? And once you send the money to this particular address, hit on the payment completed. Once you do so, automatically the person, when the person receive the money, the person is going to release the crypto for you. You can find that crypto in your wallet. Very easy. You can find it on your wallet. So right now I'm going to cancel this. You get. So cancel order. No longer wish to proceed. Just hit on confirm. I've cancelled the order. Get. That is simple way of you depositing your money to your Bybit account. Very easy. Get the money deposited will be. If you click on the asset on your phone, you're going to see the money on your phone. It's very easy. Other way of depositing your crypto asset, your money to Bybit is to transfer it from an exchange to your Bybit account. I believe everybody has to do not to do that. To do that is very simple. You have to hit on this place that says deposit. Once you do the deposit, then Binance bring up plenty options for you. You want you to deposit is crypto. Deposit crypto that you have on that exchange wallet to your Bybit. So it on deposit crypto, and this place is going to bring up plenty options for you to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Can search on it on this place, or if it is here, just tap on. For me, let's say I want to deposit USDT, tap on USDT. On this place, go to pick out the network and ensure you pick up the right network. If I pick up it, I will see 20 on my network. Okay, this will be my address. Okay, yes, let me just got it. This will be my address right here. I'll copy this address and ensure that the USDT I'm sending from that other wallet to this, ensure the network is still TRC 20. If you send to the wrong network, you will lose your crypto asset forever. So guys, this is a simple method of depositing your money to Bybit. If you find this helpful, do it to like it, leave a comment in the comment section. You can say thank you, and if this channel was helpful to you, do it to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Friday G's, peace out.